Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore how to remove a specified number of elements within an array, effectively shifting elements to the end while maintaining the order. This technique is useful for cyclical rotations and reordering data in JavaScript. The objective is to take a set number of elements from an array and move them to the end, creating a rotated version of the original array. This is a useful operation in data manipulation and UI interactions. This function works by slicing the array into two parts and then recombining them. If the offset is positive, it moves the elements from the start to the end. If negative, it moves the elements from the end to the start. This process ensures that elements are shifted seamlessly within the array, making it a highly efficient approach for reordering data. The function works well for both positive and negative offsets, ensuring elements move efficiently. It also handles different data types, making it a versatile utility for JavaScript programming. Rotating elements in an array has many applications, from UI enhancements like carousels to logic-based scenarios like scheduling tasks or implementing circular buffers in programming. In summary, we've explored an efficient method to move elements within an array while preserving order. This technique is practical for various programming scenarios. Thanks for following along, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.